Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Shopify theme settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your Shopify theme settings, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, navigate to the online store section in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Themes to access your theme management options. Locate the theme you want to reset in the current theme section. Next, click on the Actions button next to your theme. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Code to open the theme editor. In the theme editor, you will see a list of folders and files on the left side. Look for the config folder within this list. Click to open the config folder, which contains several files related to your theme settings. Find the file named settings_data.json and click on it to open. This file holds your current theme settings in JSON format. To reset your settings, select all the content in this file and delete it. Once cleared, you can either leave the file empty or replace it with default settings from another theme or a backup. After updating the file, click the Save button in the upper right corner. Wait for the changes to save successfully. Next, return to the Themes section of your Shopify admin. Refresh the page to see the changes in your theme settings. Your theme should now be reset to its default configuration. If you encounter any issues, consider checking for backups or reinstalling the theme. Make sure to review your theme customization after the reset to ensure everything functions as intended. This process will help you start fresh with your Shopify theme settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.